Redkey W15 Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner 3-in-1 Smart Floor Cleaner, Wash, Vacuum and Mop. 0.2 Edge Cleaning, 4-5 min runtime, self-cleaning, pet-friendly. Say goodbye to outdated cleaning methods. The Redkey W15 combines vacuuming, mopping, and washing in one powerful device. Designed for modern homes, especially pet owners and families, this cordless wet-dry vacuum ensures deep cleaning on hard floors, tiles, marble, and low-pile rugs with zero mess and maximum efficiency. Why choose the Redkey W15? 3-in-1 functionality, vacuum, wash, and mop in one step. No more switching tools or cleaning twice. The W15 handles liquid spills, sticky messes, and pet hair all at once, perfect for busy homes. Switch between 3 modes: standard, water, strong suction, with a single button. 0.2-inch edge cleaning. Unlike most vacuum mops, the W15 can clean as close as 0.2 inches from walls and baseboards, removing hidden dust and debris that other machines miss. Up to 45-minute runtime. Clean up to 1,615 square feet, 150 square meters, on a single charge. Ideal for medium to large homes. When you're done, hit the button to activate automatic self-cleaning. Your hands stay clean. Dual large water tanks. Clean water tank, 910 milliliters. Dirty water tank, 600 milliliters. Clean longer without stopping to refill or empty tanks. Keeps clean and dirty water separate for hygienic cleaning every time. Self-propelled design. Effortless to use, no pushing required. The self-propelled motor glides smoothly across all surfaces, including hardwood, tile, laminate, and vinyl floors. LED display and voice alerts. Stay informed with a real-time LED screen displaying battery life, mode, and maintenance alerts. Includes voice prompts for error codes, tank alerts, and more. 150 degrees rotating floor head. Clean under beds, sofas, and tables with ease thanks to the flexible 150 degrees swivel. Maintains full suction power even at an angle. Package options. SET1 Standard Edition. 1 main unit, with floor brush, roller brush, HEPA filter. 1 handle, 1 charging base, 1 adapter, 1 cleaning brush, 1 instruction manual, 1 after-sales service card. Set 2 Combo Edition. Includes everything in SET1, plus 1 extra roller brush, 1 extra HEPA filter. Product specifications. Feature detail. Power 150 W. Voltage 220 volts. Runtime up to 45 minutes. Clean water tank 910 milliliters. Dirty water tank 600 milliliters. Weight approximately 4.5 kilograms, without packaging, suction modes standard, water, strong suction. Edge cleaning 0.2 in, 5 millimeters, from baseboards. Rotation angle 150 degrees swivel. Noise level approximately 72 decibels. Suitable floors tile, hardwood, laminate, vinyl. Self-cleaning 1-button auto cleaning cycle. Display LED screen plus voice alerts. Warranty 2 years, device, plus 24/7 support. Ideal for pet owners, hair, dander, paw prints. Families with toddlers or elderly. Busy professionals needing fast, effective cleaning. Homes with large open-plan spaces or hard flooring. Bonus. What sets Redkey W15 apart? Self-propelled motion for effortless movement. Self-cleaning system keeps brush and pipe hygienic. Edge-to-edge cleaning unlike most competitors. Extra roller and HEPA filter in Combo Edition. LED plus voice system guides you during cleaning. 2-year warranty with full support from local warehouses.